this is the one soca dance tutorial. So today we'll continue from where we stop. In case you missed the last two lessons, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the one soca TV. Let's get started. Okay, then another thing is walking one by one. Instead of doing like this, you'll be walking like normal walking now, like this. But the difference now is that when you make a step, you raise your toe. When you make a step, you raise your toe. Okay? Have you seen me? Like that. Okay? Just use it and make a dance move. You started with 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. But now I want to make it 1. So when you make one step, you move both of them. Make another step, move both of them. And just make sure that your knee is protruding. Okay? Like that. Okay? So let's try to do more faster. Now. Yeah, something like that. Like you're walking. Alright? Okay guys, we're going to try this one with music. The 1 step like this. Then 2 steps. And we are done with this section. I just came forward now with my leg. You can go back the same way.